Welcome back to Grow My Savings. If you've been investing for a while, you might think the hard part is over. You've picked your investments, you're contributing regularly, so you can just sit back and let it grow, right? Well, not exactly. Because over time, your portfolio can drift out of balance, and that can quietly change your risk level and your returns. That's why today, we're talking about rebalancing, what it is, why it matters, and how you can do it easily to keep your investments aligned with your goals. Rebalancing simply means adjusting your investments back to your target mix. Let's say you started with 60% in stocks for growth, 30% in bonds for stability, percent in cash for safety. Over time, if stocks perform really well, that mix might shift to 75% stocks and only 25% bonds. That means your portfolio is now riskier than you originally planned. Rebalancing is the process of selling some of what grew too much and buying more of what fell behind to bring everything back into balance. It's like realigning the wheels of your car. It keeps your journey smooth and safe. Rebalancing is important for three big reasons. It keeps your risk in check. Without rebalancing, your portfolio can become too aggressive or too conservative depending on market moves. 2. It locks in profits. When you sell a bit of your winners, you're taking profits while prices are high. That's smart investing. It helps you buy low, sell high. Rebalancing forces discipline. You naturally sell assets that went up and buy those that went down, even when emotions tell you to do the opposite. In short, it keeps your money strategy aligned with your original goals, not your impulses. Here's how you can rebalance step by step. Step 1. Check your target allocation. Know your ideal mix. For example, 70% stocks, 20% bonds, 10% cash. Step 2. Review your portfolio. Look at your investment breakdown. You can use your brokerage app or a spreadsheet to see what percentage each asset holds. Step 3. Compare and adjust. If one category is 5% or more off from your target, it's time to rebalance. Step 4. Rebalance by buying or selling. You can sell a portion of the overperforming investments or direct new contributions toward the underweighted ones, whichever costs less in fees or taxes. Most experts recommend doing this once or twice a year, or whenever your allocation drifts significantly. And if you use robo-advisors or index funds, many of them actually rebalance automatically. A great set-and-forget option for beginners. Rebalancing isn't about timing the market, it's about staying disciplined. Think of it like a financial tune-up. It helps you control risk, protect profits, stay aligned with your long-term plan. Even small adjustments once a year can make a big difference over time. So instead of guessing or reacting emotionally, rebalancing helps you stay steady no matter what the market does. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If this helped you understand why portfolio rebalancing matters, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's building their investment journey. In our next video, we'll talk about the snowball strategy, growing wealth one step at a time. How small, consistent actions can build massive financial momentum over time.